Here's how to fix apps crashing in iOS 18. Now, if you just upgraded to the latest iOS 18 on your iPhone, but you find the Messages app crashes or the setting crashes whenever you open them up, I'll walk you through the entire process to get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. What I would recommend on here is to turn on automatic updates, make sure all of these are turned on. But beta updates, I would recommend turning this off. Essentially, these iOS 18 public beta or developer beta will include some really new software that hasn't been fully tested yet and might have some bugs or glitches that are causing apps to crash. So I would recommend turning that off and just getting the latest iOS operating system that is a public release. As of right now, that is 18.0. Now, the next thing you can do is head into your App Store, tap on the profile at the very top right, and then just swipe down to see if there are any updates to apps. So you can see a couple of updates. Just tap on Update All. Basically, some apps might not be working all that well in iOS 18 because it has just been a new released iOS operating system, and they could be working out and clearing out any kind of bugs or issues in those specific apps. So make sure all of your apps are fully updated. Now, after you go through both of those different steps, if it is still crashing, let's go back into your settings. Let's go back here and tap on iPhone storage. And then just go to the specific app that tends to be crashing a lot. So for instance, maybe it's Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, whatever. And I would recommend hitting offloading the app. This removes the core app files, but keeps all of your documents, and hit reinstall app. This will force update everything and a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within that specific app. You'll see that it's just installing a fresh new copy. Now, if you go through all of those different steps, the last thing I would recommend doing is go into your settings. Let's go back here and go to the very bottom, tap on shutdown. So turn off your phone and restart it. A lot of times there could just be bugs or glitches in that specific version or instance of your operating system, but rebooting it refreshes everything and fixes all of those issues. If you're still having issues with apps with glitches or crashing or not working, then unfortunately, the best thing that you can do is just to wait until there's an update, either with the iOS operating system or the app itself, to fix any kind of those bugs or issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.